Are you sitting down? If not, please do so. I have some life-changing news for you. It's a unique opportunity to get rich really quickly, and all you have to do is poop. I'm not kidding, this is one of the easiest ways to make $180,000 a year. Want to know how? Just answer this question: what's $180,000 divided by 365 days? That's right, it's $493 per day. It takes less than 5 minutes of your time each day to earn that amount. This opportunity doesn't involve any risk or competition, which makes it even better. Before we go further, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's continue. I know that it sounds crazy to be making so much money just by going to the bathroom. Well, let me tell you about a site called humanmicrobes.org. This unique, innovative platform allows you to make $180,000 a year just pooping. So if you're looking for a side hustle that will include sitting on the toilet and making six figures, this is perfect for you. Founded by Michael Harrop in 2020, Human Microbes is a stool donor network currently focused on the USA and Canada, but accepting donors from other countries, and willing to do global dry ice shipping if possible. Human Microbes is run by individuals and professionals interested in the microbiome and its implications in health and well-being. They need to people who are still healthy enough to qualify as a high-quality stool donor to sign up and start donating their stool. You can choose if you want to make daily donations, or if you are too busy, to wait only for a large clinical trial. To become a stool donor, you'll need to complete the screening questionnaire, complete verification of stool type and physical fitness, a video interview, stool and blood testing, paid for by them or the recipient of the stool donation. You will get paid $500 per stool donation. If you're having a bowel movement every day, it can total $180,000 per year. Most recipients will probably be ordering stool via dry ice shipping, the costs of which will be covered by them. Donors are prepaid for everything. They receive the order and payment from the recipient, then pass it on to the donor. The donor then prepares it and ships it out. By default, they also keep donors completely anonymous from recipients, in order to maintain your privacy. It's not too late for you to make a change in your life and start making some real money, just by using the restroom. You're never too old for an opportunity like this, so what are you waiting for? Go check it out now. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, "I like it," and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.